In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your friend list public. So if you're having a problem on your Facebook account where the number of friends you have on Facebook is not displayed on your Facebook profile, then it means that this feature is hidden. To unhide it, it is pretty much simple. Just go over to this profile icon here and then tap on it. And from this, tap on settings icon, which is this. Now under this, scroll down until you get to this section called audience and visibility. And under this, look for this option called how people find and contact you. If you go ahead and tap on it, we have this list that will be opened on how people find and contact you. Then choose the second option, who can see your friends list. As you can see, it is currently set to only me, and that's why other people cannot see my friend list. To change this, go ahead and tap on it and then choose public if you want everyone on and off Facebook to be able to see the number of friends you have, or only if you want your friends to be able to see your friend list, go ahead and tap on friends. So for my case, I'll leave it to public so that anyone can see my friend list. To finalize, go ahead and tap on save and the changes will be saved, and now you can see it is set to public. So that's how you make your friend list public on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.